Namaste. Once again, welcome to Raghavendra Yoga channel. Today, I am teaching very special mudra for energizing the body. Now, I am teaching Shakti Mudra. How to do this? Just take the palms together, then fold the thumbs into the palm, then curl the index finger and the middle finger. Press them against the thumb gently. Then join the tips of the little fingers and also join the tips of the ring fingers like this. Yes. This forms the Shakti Mudra. Place it in front of the chest. Keep the back erect. Align the head with the back. Close the eyes gently. Maintain the gentle smile. Then start chanting Om. Inhale deeply. Then chant Omkara till the exhalation. Don't force. Feel the silence for some time, then inhale deeply, then chant again. Practice continuously for 15 minutes, then take the hands down gently. Rub the palms until getting heat. Then give a gentle massage to the eyelids. Open your eyes with few blinks. First look at the palms. Then look around you. You feel fresh everywhere. Who should not do this? Pregnant women should not practice till 4 months. But pregnant women can practice after 4 months till the delivery. It's very good for pregnant women and for fetus, means for baby also. And person who has undergone back and knee surgery should take the support of the wall, or they can practice on the chair. Others, all of them can practice this. Which is the best time to practice? You could practice in the morning, early morning, or in the afternoon, or in the night. Before going to sleep is also very good. Advantages of the Shakti Mudra. This mudra energizes the body. Therefore, this mudra is called Shakti Mudra. This mudra helps in providing sleeping quality. It calms the mind by preventing anxiety and stress. There is stress with every work. It helps in relieving fast, which helps in preventing anxiety. Next thing, this mudra helps in respiratory health. You chant Omkara, so you get a good respiratory health. It helps in providing good age. What is the duration for the mudra? You should practice 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Somebody's question, sir, shall I practice daily? Yes, you can practice daily. It's very good. Practicing consistency with this mudra itself will provide good benefits. Second thing, sir, shall I practice at the office? Yes, you can. You can practice. Just make comfort yourself. And you should avoid the tight fitting clothes or belts. That's all. You can practice in the free area. It's very good. Next thing, sir, shall I practice mudra after having food? Yes, of course. You can practice after 1 hour of your breakfast or after 1 hour of your lunch, or after 1 hour of your dinner. Sir, shall I practice during menstruation? Yes, you can do. It's very good. No restriction for this. You can ask further questions. Practice Shakti Mudra in a sequence and get complete benefits. We will meet you in the next episode with great yogic talk. Happy time.